Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the forest. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The first day of spring. Are we lucky or what? We are not lucky. We are blessed. I hope you're having a wonderful afternoon, wonderful evening, wonderful morning, wherever you are in this beautiful world that we live in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Keep shining and keep smiling and spread that love everywhere you go. Share the light, share the love. We all have it in us, and it all begins with a smile. I love you. Take care. Until tomorrow. Bye.